Alright, so in this video I'm just going to show you guys how to install an impass to your nozzle. Now, you don't have to go out and purchase a impass. You can just convert the one that's already in there. Just going to knock this pin out. Just that. Push that out. Here is the bolt. Now we just got to get this off. Make sure you guys are using the right bit. If it doesn't fit snug like that, it's the wrong one. There we go, a little bit of Loctite on there. Next we need to get that out. I think it's a, yeah, so it's a 3 mil. Okay. Should be able to just pull this out and push that off. There we go. And here is the inside of the bolt. And here is the nozzle. I short stroke mine. I should probably do a better job of that. But here's the nozzle. So now we just got to knock this pin out, then this pin. Okay, now we can pull this out. To get to the impasse, we need to knock this one out. Okay. If it doesn't come out like that, try sticking something in the front smaller than that. There we go. And I mean, that's how you get it out. As you can see, I already have an impasse in mine. Now, the original rocket valve that comes with the ISO556 is the exact same one that comes in the SEW nons, and I believe that SPC nons, and all of those can be converted to a impasse because it's the exact same style as this. You just need to drill a hole and then put a grub screw like this through it, and that's it. So like I said, you don't actually have to go buy one. If you have a grub screw and a drill, you could just turn it into one yourself. Now, there's one trick to get this thing back in. When you go to, there should be a spring in here. The spring is still in there, so don't forget that spring if it falls out. But when you go to reinstall this, sometimes this grub screw will be in the way of your pinhole. So make sure when you reinstall it that, I don't really want to adjust mine, but make sure you put Allen key in there and move the screw all the way to the left. So there's the least amount of screw on this side, because if the screw is too far this way, what'll happen is it'll be in the way, it'll block the hole. I can show you. I'll just put it back in there. Can we see? Probably not. Yeah, we can't see it. But anyway, just make sure that when you're inserting the rocket valve, it's not blocking that hole when you go to knock the pin in, because if it is, blocking the hole. You can damage the rocket valve, you can damage the pin or the screw, and that'll really suck. So that's really it. To put it back together, just repeat the steps in reverse. Pretty simple.